Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you the C sharp minor scale on the trumpet. And before we get started, I just want to say, if you want to see more content just like this, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into it. So first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the C sharp minor scale sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale starts off with the note C sharp, which is played 1, 2, 3, and for the C sharp you want to get this third valve tuning slide out, basically all the way, maybe just a little less, so like right about there is good, and you want to leave that out for the C sharp. The next note is E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F sharp, which is played 2. The next note is A flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B, which is played 2. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is C sharp, except this time it is played 1 and 2 because we are in the upper octave. So those are the notes for the scale. And this is, again, a pretty easy scale to learn because it only, of course, is 1 octave. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe. And until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.